This is one of the elevators here at Woodfield Mall in Schaumburg, Illinois. Yeah, but this is a ThyssenKrupp elevator ride. This is also Endura MRL, as you can see the motor there. And here it is. Upper level. Let's look out the window. Wow, that was quick leveling. We'll go back down. Put your lantern there. Alright, we'll get a cabin now. These are very nice elevators. Here's your indicator. Let's watch the indicator change. Here we go. Map BS buttons. 4,500 pound capacity. It's your COP. We'll do them a ride. Because why not? We'll watch the indicator. This thing might not have the reflex. Alright, we'll look out the window going down. We'll have this side actually. And not much to see there, so we'll look out here. There's that other elevator across, but that's out of service. There's another one right there. Here we are. Oops, step on the fry. I don't know if oh, going up. Here. Yeah, no problem. I'll ring the bell. There we go. We'll watch the door close. Let's see. Any time now. There it goes, Anne. That'll be it.